Hello students, today we will discuss a problem from IIT-JEE 2024. A function given fx in such a way that fx is minus 2 when x lies in minus 2 to 0 and x minus 2 when x lies in 0 to 2. And a function hx is defined in such a way that hx is f of mod x plus mod of fx. Then we have to find the value of integration minus 2 to plus 2 hx. Students, we will do this problem without using the integration. We solve this problem using the graph of the hx. Okay, so first look at this problem. The function fx is defined here. Fx is minus 2 when x lies between this range and x minus 2 when x is from 0 to 2. Now, what will be modulus of fx? Then f of mod x will be minus 2 when x lies in here. This will be mod x and mod x minus 2. So first look at this point. When as we know that all mod x always greater or equals to 0, so f of mod x is minus 2 when mod x lies in minus 2 to 0. This part becomes invalid. We have to scale the graph only at the point at x equal to 0, as mod x always greater or equals to 0. Okay, so we will sketch the graph for the next part, that is fx is mod x minus 2 when x lies in 0, mod x lies in 0 to 2. Okay, so we first break this part in two cases and then we will solve this. First, when mod x less or equals to 2, we break this in two part. Then x lies in minus 2 to 0 union 0 to 2. For the first case, students, when x lies in minus 2 to 0, x is obviously negative. Then fx will be minus x minus 2. This will be the range minus 2. This equals to x. This equals to 0. And when x lies between 0 to 2, then x is positive. So mod x will be plus x. In that case, f of mod x, this is f of mod x, f of mod x will be x minus 2. Okay, now to find hx, students look at the problem. Hx is the addition of these two functions, f of mod x plus modulus of fx. Already we have derived what is f of mod x. Okay, and now we have to find modulus of fx. And I think all of you students know that modulus of any function will be just a mirror image of the function about the x-axis. Okay, so it is very easy to draw modulus of fx just from fx. So first look, here is the fx function fx. This is the fx. Just look at fx. Fx is minus 2. I am first drawing the graph of fx. Fx is minus 2 when x lies between minus 2 to 0. Okay, so here is, suppose this is minus 2, this is 0, and this is plus 2. So fx is minus 2, so the fx is constant from minus 2 to 0, and from 0 to 2 fx is x minus 2. So fx is a straight line in this portion with slope 1. So this is fx. Okay, here y is minus 2 and here y is x minus 2. So this is the graph of fx. So what will be the graph of f of mod x? F of mod x will be just the mirror image of this graph, the mirror image of this part. Okay. So f of mod x will be just, it will be look like that. In this negative portion, it was, just look, y is equal to minus 2 and its mirror image will be y is equal to plus 2. Okay. This is y is equal to plus 2 and y is equal to x minus 2 will be just mirror image, so it will be in that side. Okay, so this is modulus of fx. Now we will just finally we'll sketch the graph of hx. Now what is hx? Hx is f of mod x plus modulus of fx. Now what is f of mod x? We will draw the graph of f of mod x. Already we have derived the function f of mod x. Look here, this is the graph, this is the of function f of mod x. So in this portion from minus 2 to 0, this is plus 2, f of mod x is minus x minus 2. So in this portion, this is a straight line with slope minus 1. So this will be like this. Okay. And from 0 to 2, this is once again a straight line with slope plus 1. So this will be like this, and this is y is equal to minus x minus 2, and this is equals to y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, now this is the graph of f of mod x. Okay, now we have to add these two graphs. This is f of mod x, and what is modulus of x? Just for simplicity, we are writing once again side by side. This is y is equal to 2, and this is the, okay, this is f of modulus of fx. Okay, now students, look, what will be our hx? So minus 2, here 0, here plus 2. First look, from minus 2 to 0, from minus 2 to 0, uh, here y is equal to plus 2 and here y is equal to minus x minus 2. This is minus 2, 0, plus 2. So for f of mod x, from minus 2 to 0, there here is minus x minus 2 and here y is equal to plus 2. So I have to add these two functions here. So hx will be nothing but, after this addition, hx will be nothing but y is equal to minus x. Okay. So y is equal to minus x is a straight line passing through all the origin. So this is the straight line which passes through the origin. And look at this portion, that is when y is equal to x minus 2 at the portion 0 to 2. Here y is equal to x minus 2, and from 0 to 2, this is the exactly the mirror image of this line about the x-axis. So after addition, each point wise we will have 0 at every point. So every point lies on this axis, x-axis. Okay. So finally, So this is the graph. So when it is asked to integrate hx minus 2 to plus 2 um, hx dx, just we have to find the area of this portion. Here is minus 2 plus 2. So I have to find the area of this portion. This is the line y is equal to minus x, and my at x equal to minus 2, y is equal to here 2. So the base of this triangle is 2 and height is also 2. So the area will be half into base into height. So this will be 2 square unit. So students, I think all you understand this problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment. Thank you.